kids! Do you know something about shapes? I surely don't. Let's learn the shapes together. Do you know what shape is this? It's a star. The star is yellow. What about this one? It's a square. The square is green. And this one? What shape is this? It's a circle. The circle is pink. Do you know what shape is this? It's a triangle. The triangle is purple. What about this one? It's a hexagon. The hexagon is blue. Let's repeat all the shapes we have learned today. Star, square, circle, triangle, hexagon. Thanks kids, and see you in the next video. Please also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. Thumbs up.